artist, it's Alexia.
And Abby.
And we are going to be doing the Mystery Wheel of Slime challenge. We have our little bowls and ingredients on the side.
Spoons.
And spoons. We should have put that. Spin the Mystery Wheel of Doom. Glitter!
Ooh.
Beautiful. Now this stinks because I don't know what color slime I'm gonna get.
I do. Just do silver.
Silver, gold.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, the green spill everywhere. I'm doing silver!
Pry it off. It's okay, I can sweep it up later.
Okay. Pouring.
It's on Lily! My turn.
Next round.
That's okay.
Alright. You're like, I don't want pushable beads.
Vanilla Sing! Which one's that? Oh,
This one.
it's.
Alright, I gotta mix my
God,
glitter.
That smells so good. I just did 2 drops.
It is, I told
Here,
you.
Click restart wheel. Or not.
We don't have to.
I thought you had to.
It almost landed on glitter again. Alright, pearls. I haven't used pearls.
Sheesh.
I mean, this is just like terrible slime.
Alright.
I mean, I think it looks like perfect slime actually.
Perfect.
It's like
Mine's a lot better. Mine's a lot better
put
already.
your hands in that.
Okay, I'm gonna spin mine.
Yeah.
Borax! No, that's not good.
It's terrible. Oh my gosh. You barely like need a drop of that. It's crazy.
That's a lot. That's a lot.
I'm just gonna spin.
Water. Gonna have some jiggly slime, depending. Okay, I'm spinning now.
I'm not doing it. Oh, the screwdriver.
Brown paint.
Brown paint.
Whoa. And I have vanilla scent.
Oh, vanilla and chocolate?
So this,
No, it's just chocolate.
it smells like chocolate.
It
though.
is?
It smells like it. Wait, I don't want this dripping on you. Like, doesn't it kind of smell like chocolate?
Vanilla and chocolate. You're gonna have an ice cream sandwich.
Ooh. That's gonna.
My turn.
Fruit slices.
When are we ever gonna get glue?
Hopefully soon. All right, let's see.
I got my fruit.
Glue.
What
glue,
fruit?
Glue. Blue paint.
Actually, glue does rhyme with blue. I think it heard you wrong.
I said glue, not blue. I'm gonna do a light blue. Ready. Candy scent. I'm gonna mix mine. Or actually, we can't mix it yet, can we?
I mean, it's
No.
not gonna do anything.
Sure. I just want to see what my color is gonna turn.
Mine actually looks so cool.
I know yours is so much better than mine already.
Candy.
Mine's chunky. From the borax, I think. I don't know.
Alright,
Yours is pretty. Yours is like a mermaid.
it doesn't.
Like, I don't know.
Mermaid,
Okay.
like a tropical mermaid.
Okay, let's see what I get.
Glue.
Pearls.
Woo.
Great. It's gonna be ice cream with. No! It's gonna be ice. Oh god, that's a lot. No.
put this all the way over here.
Blue paint! Yours is like underwater.
Oh yeah. Now I just need glue.
Yeah.
That'd be good. Okay, that's enough.
Glue. Strawberry scent. I'm making an ice cream.
Yes, you are strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla.
And then the pearls are like, what is it? Sprinkles.
Glue. Glue.
Fruit slice.
I already put some in. You know what? I'm gonna put some strawberries. Add some strawberries to my contraption thingy here. What was I thinking? Now that makes more sense.
Good, because I just got strawberry.
Blake's.
Great.
What color? Pink or blue?
Blue. Better with the brown.
Sure.
Alright. Sorry, I'm opening it with my mouth so I don't like open it really bad. Borax.
Wow. Mine's gonna get like a little chunky too now. Well, yeah. Alright, just a dab.
I added like barely any flakes in there.
Plop.
Okay.
That was not a dab. Dab.
Glue. Yeah! Oh, no!
Wait, I gotta mix it.
Stop! No! No!
No, how did I end up with this? Wait.
Does it
It
smell
doesn't
good?
smell too bad. I like it, honestly. It's like has like a little plastic smell to it.
Does
but I
yours
think
have
it's
any scent in it yet?
Yeah,
What scent?
vanilla, I'm pretty sure. Gonna spin it again.
Mm-hmm. No! Dump others. No.
How are we gonna... Okay, I gotta scoop it.
This is not going too well. This wheel does
It's
not
rigged.
Yeah, it doesn't like us.
No, it just does not like... Yeah, it does not, I guess, actually.
Oh my god. Anything.
Oh, no.
Okay, how much glue do I use?
I don't know.
Okay, I won't use a lot.
You forgot the cap, did you?
Oh, I thought the cap was off. How do I? Again.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Fruit slices, we're starting over. Well, this
This is my slime so far.
That make it. Bleh. That made it like 10 times better. I don't know why.
Glitter! Yay! Where's the?
Over there.
Oh.
Way far away.
Oh, I forgot this already had glitter in it. Okay, your
Yeah.
turn. That was a lot of glitter also.
So we can stop whenever we feel comfortable. Just saying.
I don't very much like this yet.
Okay.
I don't care when we stop. Okay.
I don't know what I'm doing. I feel like I'm thinking that's glue and I'm putting a ton in. Oh, that's so gross.
Flakes. Oh, I forgot what they were for a second. Oh my. Okay. You can spin yours.
Oh.
Lexi, my slime isn't even that.
Foam! Foam! I'm adding white to give it some pop.
The beads are falling out.
Ah, too much, too much.
Oh my gosh. I need a napkin. Oh, that was dumb of me.
Redo, keep redoing.
Candy sun. Will you add that while I go wipe my hands off? Please and thank you. Don't! No! No! That's so. Those
Whose fault is that? For
Oh, that
making me in
doesn't smell
charge?
good.
It doesn't?
No. It's
It kind of
decent.
smells like cotton candy, which I don't like.
Yeah, I don't like cotton candy either. No! Now I got this.
Way better.
Oh my God. Okay, let's see.
You know, you should have just stopped.
Glue. Fishbowl beads.
Oh, I thought you actually got glue. I'm like,
I was like, glue.
hey, this actually isn't that bad.
It's not. No, it's not too bad, but also not the greatest thing.
No. Oh boy. Alright. I could stop at any time right now. I would love to thank this wheel so much.
I just want to make a slime. Okay, I'm just gonna spin while you do that.
Alright, that's good.
Glue, please, 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 please,
Smells
please,
lemony.
please.
No.
Do you care which one I use?
No, I don't care.
And I'm using the coconut.
Oh, now it just made it look like a milk chocolate thing. Like a milkshake chocolate. Milkshake.
Oh.
I don't know. It's
Okay.
just-
It's your turn.
Oh no. That made it 10 times worse.
Well, you might have to mix it with your hands to make it better. Or who knows?
Okay.
It smells really good in here.
I wonder why.
Yeah, true. Okay, please do glue. No!
I want borax. Can you give me borax?
I just want glue.
Can you dump yours into mine?
That was a lot. Okay,
Ew.
your turn.
Ew. Glue just made it like terrible. Well, now I can't see it.
This is mine.
This is mine.
You got foam beads.
I already put foam
Yeah,
beads in.
so you get to.
Spin again. Spin again.
So close.
You know what? I think I should just stop right here.
Do whatever you want. I'm gonna go till I get glue at least.
Okay. After yours.
Okay. I just want glue.
So, I'm gonna stop right here. Now she's gonna.
Oops.
Oh, I thought that was the glitter. I got scared. But
I'm
she's
try
gonna
and get
keep
glue.
spinning the wheel over and over and over again, and we'll show you our final results. See you in like 2 seconds.
Shut up.
She finally got glue. Screwdriver, lifesaver.
Oh my god.
Okay, anyway, she finally got glue. She got instant snow and everything. It took like about 1 million spins. She was like,
Snow is sticking to my
annoying.
hands. Like, just the snow.
So, here's mine. Whoa, it's slime. And then, you know,
This side.
Abby also made a twin.
Here's
made
mine. Oh my god.
Okay. Wait, I saw it in your seat.
You're fine. And after this, we have to vacuum.
Yes,
I have to vacuum.
Yes, sir. I'll clean up this mess and then you clean up that mess. But you guys judge who had the better slime. Who do you think had the better slime? I say me.
Yeah, definitely you.
Mine feels better. It may not look better, but it feels better. I mean, it looks the same.
Yours definitely looks a lot better than mine.
All right.
Someone, you got this. I will take that. Oops. I should be thanking her.
Well, I hope you're having a great day. Thanks for watching. Stay creative. Bye.
Bye. Bye.